ये दूर की कैसी
Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought of doing something different. So from the past couple of days some of you guys were asking me to react on the flashback fight scene from the movie Asuran. So when I was searching it on YouTube I came across Narappa's flashback fight scene. So I thought about reacting on both the movies flashback fight scene and see which one's better. So Asuran is a 2019 Indian Tamil language period action film written and directed by Vetri Maran and produced by Kalaipulli S. Thanu. The film is based on Pomani's novel Vikai. The film stars Dhanush and Manju Warrior. G.V. Prakash Kumar scored the music for the film, renewing his collaboration with Vetri Maran. Cinematography was handled by Velraj with editing by R. Ramal. The film's plot is influenced by the real-life Kelvin Mani massacre that occurred in 1968. Narappa is a 2021 Indian Telugu language period action drama film directed by Shrikant Dalla. It is a remake of the Tamil language film Asuran. The film is produced by D. Suresh Babu and Kalaipulli S. Thanu under their respective banners Suresh Production and V Creation. The film stars Venkatesh, Priyamani and Amu Abhirabi, while Nasar, Rao Ramesh, Rajiv Kanakala, Brahmaji and Kartik Ratnam play supporting roles. So let's start with Asuran first and then we will see Narappa's video. So let's start the video.
मेरे को लगा मरने से पहले मैं तेरे को देख नहीं पाएगी। दादा ने मुन्ना को घर से बाहर फेंक दिया था, लेकिन पांडी ने उसको वापस घर में फेंक दिया। पांडी को छोड़ना मत शिवा, बहुत दर्द हो रहा है। हम ये जन्म में तो एक नहीं हो पाए शिवा, लेकिन अगले जन्म में जरूर होंगे। मुझे माफ कर दे शिवा।
तुम लोग अंदर जाओ और तुम दोनों यहीं खड़े रहो।
भाग 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 आ गया वो। अरे शिवा क्या भाग जल्दी जल्दी बंद कर दरवाजा बंद कर जल्दी कोई हथियार ना जल्दी वो आ गया।
शिवा औरतों को कुछ मत करना, अंदर चली जाओ वरना मार दूंगा।
अरे मैं तुम्हारी बात
औरतों के पीछे क्या छुप रहा है? सामने से पकड़ो। मैं भूल जाऊंगा कि तुम लोग औरत हो। जाओ यहाँ से। क्या पागल हो रहे? अरे अलग कर दिया, अंदर जाओ।
तुम लोग जाओ।
कोई तो मदद
तुम अंदर जाओ, मैं संभाल लूंगा। जाओ बेटा। शिवमणि सुनो मेरी बात।
मैं उसके लिए आया हूँ जिसने मेरे परिवार को जलाया। अगर कोई भी बीच में आया तो काट के रख दूंगा।
बेटा मुझे माफ कर दे। मैं तेरे बाप जैसा हूँ बेटा, मुझे जाने दे।
మీరిద్దరు 2 రోజులు కనిపించకుండా తాడిపత్రికి పోండి.
అట్నే అన్నా.
మీరు ఇన్నే ఉండి ఎప్పటికప్పుడు లోన్కి వచ్చేయండి.
మెడని మెడని విడిగరా తరమరా తురమరా నరము నరము విడగా దిగొంతులో నెత్తురయ్యరా మట్టి నోటిలో కండ ముద్ద కలిపి గాలి రంగుని ఎర్ర ఎర్రగా మార్చి వెయ్యరా.
ఆడాలి పిల్లల ముందు లోపలికి వెళ్ళండి. మీ చేతుల మీద అందుంది నన్ను మర్యాద చెప్తాను. లోపలికి వెళ్ళండి. నా కొడుకు నరకుండా వదలను.
ఎదురు తిరిగి కసిగరా నరకరా తలలు ఎగిరి చర చర చరకరా
చెప్తే విన్నారా? నేను మా కుటుంబాన్ని కాల్ చేసిన వాళ్ళ గురించి వచ్చాను. కాపాడడానికి ఎవరిని వచ్చాడో మొత్తం అందరిని చంపేస్తాను.
తలలు ఎగిరి పడగరా చర చర చరకరా మెడని విడిగరా తరమరా తురమరా నరము నరము విడగా గుండెలో కోసుకెళ్ళి కోసుకెళ్ళి పేగులన్నీ తొలచివే గాయపడ్డ మోసపడ్డవై దాచకింక పైకి తీ క్రూర మృగమువై క్రూర క్రూర మృగమువై
నన్ను చంపుతున్నా.
వలిచివై కాలయమునివై పూన కాలయమునివై పాశ విసిరివై వెన్ను పూసలన్నీ విరిచివై నరకరా నరకరా ఎదురు తిరిగి కసిగరా
నేను కొడుకులా చూసుకున్నాను.
మెడని మెడని విడిగరా తరమరా తురమరా నరము విడగా
Wow, that was just truly insane. So I'll start with Asuran first. So the first of Dhanush which I saw was in a Bollywood movie called Ranjana. The character which Dhanush was playing in Ranjana is totally different from the character that he is playing in this movie Asuran. In Ranjana, he was playing the role of a college student who falls in love and gives his life for his love and who didn't care one bit about himself. So I really liked his performance and I felt like he's a very good actor and also a very natural actor. He was new to Bollywood, so I did not know much about him. But when I started this channel and I saw some of his Tamil work, I was shocked to see him. The characters that he has played in Tamil movie, I would never even have imagined that he would do such roles as well, and also with such ease. Even for Asuran, I never thought that he would play a character like this. He looks so fierce and intense that at one point you actually feel a little scared looking at him. I also like the background music a lot here. It is sounding great. The music plays a very important part in the build-up of a scene. Coming to Narappa, I've seen that when a film is remade in another language, of half of the time it just loses its authenticity which the original film has. But for Narappa, I think it's not the case, and one of the reason is the performance by Venkatesh sir. He has matched the intensity completely with Dhanush had in Asuran. So I've not seen the whole film, but at least that's what I feel looking at this fight scene. The action and the music is same as Asuran, and it is looking absolutely great to look at. I think the main credit goes to Vetri Maran sir. He has got the realism in a commercial film, and that has really worked very, very well. And maybe that's why audience could connect with him with the film. Overall, I have really enjoyed both the scenes, and I'm so happy that I reacted on both of them. So if there's anything that you want me to react on next, then please do let me know in the comment section. Till then, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and do give me a thumbs up. Bye.